everything was going fantastic. You were chipping the brush, and then your auto feed stopped working. It's stuck in reverse. And in this video, I'm going to share with you where to look for the auto feed forward problems. And this is a Vermeer 2005 BC1000XL. Yeah, this is 1000. And I already made a few videos about the wood chippers, how to troubleshoot, maintain them. Please check the videos. They will be down in the description, so we'll put a card. But this video is just a quick tip and very one common area where to look for the failure. What caused the problem is mostly heat, vibration, and the moisture, water intrusion. And as you can see, I took my cover off, tested everything. I have lots of data written down, but I don't want to take much your time. I'm going to set my camera and just will show you one thing. Subscribe to my hobby YouTube channel, very appreciated that. All right, this chipper has some safety features. Even it's 2005, it's 15 years old, but chippers are dangerous, they're deadly. And for safety reasons, it has multiple switches and controls, and there's a lower feed stop bar, there's an upper bar, and reset switches, it has sensitivity switches, and this is your lower feed bar stop switch, right? One on the right, another one on the left, and what actually can go wrong and what most of the time happens, I've seen it a few times already, and that's a moisture intrusion. So it's sealed well at the connector, piggy tail, there's a weather seal, all has a shrink wrap, all sealed here at the box, and there's a seal around the cap here. Let me just set the camera, that will be easy. Let me show you, here we go. And you open up the box, and voila, we have water, we have moisture intrusion, and here's a seal, rubber seal. It's still good, should protect the switches, but nope. How water could get in? Here's your push button, right? And water can get here, and it goes inside, and yeah, then you have moisture. And if you look here, let me get you more light, it's pretty dark here. Okay, it's all rusty crusty, and no way electricity will flow properly. At least you will have a high resistance circuit or no resistance at all, like won't have any continuity, and electricity won't make the closed loop. And if you have faulty switch like this, your machine won't engage in forward and drum. Yeah, feeders won't work. And what you might have, you go and play with the bar, move back and forth. I will engage the feeders for a second, and then we'll stop. It will stop, or it will just get stuck in reverse, right? And yeah, that's pretty much for this video. And I'm going to replace those switches, clean the wiring, and yeah, I have already switches, new ones. We'll get everything cleaned up and wire it back again. Well, it is what it is. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope it will help someone. Critics, comments, suggestions, if I missed anything, or yeah, if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. Very appreciated your time watching. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye now. Look at this. They're soaking wet. Oh, no way. Switch like this will work properly. Yeah. Wet. Well, it is what it is. New switches are in. We're cleaning everything. We'll seal it, and yeah, good.